This is iPad Pro. We are unboxing it today. It's black in color, and let's see what we got here. So this is the iPad, which is very sleek, and it has this smart connector for keypad and Apple Pencil here, Apple Pencil and keypad for here, and then we have the data cable, and thankfully we have the charger also with iPad, but you won't get it if you buy iPhone. So let's see if we could switch it on. It's pretty lightweight, and here you can see my name is engraved here. It says Ashish Srivastav PhD. So let's see. It says hello in different languages. That's Chinese, I guess. Hola. That's it. No Hindi language. So what we do now?
Swipe up.
It's again repeating the same. So I'll choose English and then country and set up manually. So we have our Wi-Fi here. So I'll enter the password. I hope I can join this. Incorrect password. Yes, it's connected now. So let's see, it may take few minutes to activate the iPad, and then you're done. Thank you.